So I finally found my iPhone tripod, obviously, because here I am. And no, I'm going to finish up the video about freezing lemon juice in a little mold. So I showed you earlier how to put lemon juice in these little cells, this little mold that has some cells in it. Of course, I've used it because it's been a few months. But now I'm going to show you this. This is your frozen lemon juice. You can pop it out of the little molds, and then you have about a teaspoon of fresh frozen lemon juice. That is wonderful to use in recipes. It's so much better than bottled lemon juice. And it's easier than trying to squeeze lemons as you go and use them. So I like this method. You can also just pop them out and put them into a Ziploc bag and save them for whenever you want as well. So